Hey guys, I'm at Benihana's for my brother's birthday, and I'm going to show you guys a little mini vlog.
That's because it's a Caribbean thing, you know?
I think it's because like the languages, it's obviously it's different, but we both have like broken French.
Whoa! Yes, man! Yes, man!
There you go.
Period, okay. Miss Scared.
What is it? Oh, 2K.
Vegetable, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Scallop.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah. So they would have put it on there for that all the residue.
Unless you want to take it to the
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Period. Okay.
How you feeling so far? Feeling good? Okay. What's that?
I'm enjoying myself.
Ooh, look at that. Wow.
Sharon needs to go check her out. No.
Wow.
She needs to check her out. I've been doing voice lessons.
Wow.
Look at the fried pork, guys. Wow.
All over there.
This is amazing, amazing. I am so ready to eat. Like, I'm sure it's gonna taste really good. Wow, this is really nice.
All right.
Ooh.
Well done, right? For everybody. Well done, well done.